Hello, now let us solve the problem together. Even though the integrand in this problem does not look complicated, but you have to choose an appropriate substitution in order to solve it easily. Okay, so I would say that I will introduce u to be square root of 1 plus square root of x. Might be that's not very clear why, but you immediately see why this will work. Okay, then what I do, I square both sides. I will get 1 plus square root of x. Then I differentiate both sides, then I will get this one, 1 over 2 square root of x dx. Remember, when you introduce a new variable for solving your integral, you have to be able to rewrite your integrand only in terms of the variable that you just introduced. So you shouldn't have a mixture of the old variable with the new variable. So that is your general strategy to tackle the problem. Okay, for the denominator, you do not have any problems because you just introduced it to be u. So for this one, I can write u. But what can I do for dx? If I calculate dx from here, what happens, it becomes, I multiply everything by 2 square root of x, so it becomes 4u square root of x du is equal to dx. And then you see that you are in a little bit in trouble because now if you want to replace this expression here for dx, then you will have a mixture of variables u and x here. So, but then it is easy to solve the problem. If you know your strategy, you go backward a little bit and go here and calculate square root of x in terms of u. So it becomes u squared minus 1. And then the problem is solved because you go back here and take square root of x and replace it with u squared minus 1. So if I do that, so let me just put an arrow here to represent what I'm doing, and then it becomes 4u instead of square root of x. I put u squared minus 1 du is equal to dx. Now everything is ready. So if you see now dx is expressed in terms of u only. There is no mixture of x and u. So then the question mark that I am looking for is integral. Now instead of this dx, I put this expression in. This is 4u u squared minus 1 dx, du. And then in the denominator, I have u. But the problem is even simpler now because this u and that u are cancelled, and I can pull 4 out because that's a multiplicative constant. So I have u squared minus 1 du. And this is extremely simple to calculate. So this is 4u to the power of 3 divided by 3 minus u. And what I need to do is just replace u with what I have. So I will also prefer to multiply 4 in. So this is 4 over 3 square root of 1 plus square root of x to the power of 3. And then I have minus 4 square root of 1 plus square root of x. And by the way, I forgot to put my constant here, so I will add my constant here as well. So this is the final answer to the integral. Okay, I hope this video was useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye. Thank you.